Hey guys, it's your boy Lavan here and I'm back with another dance tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the Toprock. This dance move is usually done by break dancers and b-boys. It's sort of how they start out just before getting into a break dance. It's actually an easy step, guys, so try and practice this and get the hang of it. I know you can do it. Now the first step, guys, is to take your left foot and take a step to the right, and take your right foot and take a step to the left. So left foot to the right, right foot to the left foot to the right foot to the left. Now the second step is when you take a step to the right and you take a step to the left, you want to swing your arms out to the direction that you're taking your step. So when you take a step to the right, swing out to the right. And when you take a step to the left, swing out with your arms to the left. And now the third step, when you take a step to the right or the step to the left, while you're coming back, what you gradually want to do is take a hop on the other foot. So as I come back, you want to hop on the other foot. So take a step to the right, and when I gradually come back, take a hop on the left. Step to the left, hop. Step to the right, hop. Step to the left, hop. Step to the right, hop. So now step number 4, guys. We already got one hop. Now we're going to do another hop. So as we take a step and we're coming back and we're hopping on this foot, what we're going to do now is hop again onto the other foot. Like this, and then change direction, and as we come back, hop and hop onto the other foot, and then step to the right, step, come back, hop onto the other foot, step, come back, hop onto the other foot, step, come back, hop onto the other foot. So that's it for the move, guys. Once you get the hang of it, it should look a little something like this. Now I'm going to show you how the dance move looks with a song.
Let it hit 'em.
So that's the Toprock for you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe and comment down below and let me know what you think I should do next. And again, thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.